Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss. Never put a futures position on without a stop-loss order in place. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. We got some trades for tomorrow, Monday, 3/19/07. Let's start right off. Look at the Omnis. It's a double-edged sword for tomorrow. Should be interesting. Here's how we have to play this. Two-sided trade today. We're going to sell S&P. That's ESM 7 for the mini at 1405 to 1406, somewhere right there in that buffer zone. Place your orders as MIT to enter. You're going to place a reversing buy stop at 1412.25. Reversing buy stop means if you are long one, let's say you're short one at 1405, and the market hits our stop at 1412.25, you're going to have a two-lot stop there. It's going to reverse and get you long. You'll risk only $10 on that trade itself. On that reversing stop at 1412.25, that's what we're going to place against our original short at 1405. Profit objective, $13.94 on the short at 1405 or be out MOC. If the 1412.25 reversing buy stop gets elected, look to take profit at 1426 to 1428. Let me repeat that just to make sure you're with me on that. Sell one at 1405 to 1406, somewhere right in that area, MIT if it agrees with your work. Place a two-lot buy stop at 1412.25, or a little higher, depends on what you think and your work. If the reversing buy stop gets elected, now you're long, you're going to get out at 1426 to 1428. We're hoping, of course, that never happens and we get short at 1405 and you're buying back somewhere around 1394. That's how we're going to play the Emini S&P for tomorrow. Gold looking good on the Omni radar. ZG's J7 April gold. Omni support 653.5 to 651.5. Place your orders on an MIT basis. So you're looking to get in somewhere in that 53.5 to 51.5 area on an MIT. Omni turns neutral if gold trades below 646.40. Take profit at 661.40 or be out by the close. Our near-term projection, which means likely this week, gold should trade the 667.5, 668.5 level on the upside. Silver has a green Omni without an exact buy level. I say if it holds 1420, look for 1451 this week. Omni agrees. 1420 should be a holding level for silver. 1451 should be an objective. I'm not giving an actual buy level with the stop, just letting you know, keep your eyes on silver. Trade that from the long side. Corn, like silver, a green Omni showing up. Stochastics, if you follow, is one of the first indicators a day or two ago to say that we were getting ready to turn bullish. They have completely turned up amongst a bunch of other indicators. So corn has a green Omni. Looks like you should get a little rally out of corn this week. Corn, wheat, and soy, if you're following those scales, I didn't forget you guys. Your stops remain below 390 May corn, below 429 May wheat, below 715 in the beans. Those are the scale stops. Being that we had a nice long video over the weekend, you know, this one pretty much going to be just to give you the recommendations. A couple of quick things I wanted to get to, though. China raised its interest rate to 6.39% today. That should give some volatility to our currencies, maybe put a little weighting on the dollar. So watch the currencies for a little bit of jigsaw going on there. One last thing in the news. I'm no news reporter. I don't really pay mind to it, but this is not going to affect markets much. We are dog lovers here. We are pet lovers. There's been an announcement across the country that dog food and cat food has been recalled. I'll read you a quick blurb. And then there are a bunch of companies you need to avoid giving dog food or cat food to your pets, and we'll leave that list on our video for you. And the quick announcement. Menu Foods announced today it was recalling dog food sold under 48 brands and cat food sold under 40 different brands. The food was distributed throughout United States, Canada, and Mexico by retailers such as Walmart, Kroger, and Safeway. So, if you've bought food in any of those stores, watch it. It seems to be mostly wet food, but hey, why take a chance? You know, we all love our animals. There will be a list of which companies were involved in that recall. That recall is happening now as we do this video during this week. Good luck, traders. Hey, let's get involved in a couple of quick things. My site, futurestraders.com. Go to the site, check out the Omnis, check out the forum, Check out the support resistance levels we throw out there, and the flash updates will be there for you. Speaking of flash updates, as I get you into these trades, if our reversing stop gets hit, I will certainly flash update you and make you aware of what I'm doing next. You need to get on my flash updates database. You can do that by sending me an email at futuresanalysts@gmail.com. Send me your email address. I'll put you on my flash updates database, and then you're involved. As soon as we roll out in the next couple of days the full version of the site, you won't have to worry about your emails because flash updates will happen automatically. We'll send everybody back to the site at that point just to re-register and start fresh with all new registrations. We'll get to that when we do the release. I'm going to do a show in Vegas May 14th through the 17th at the Mandalay Bay. It is a free show. I'm not there to sell you anything. I'm just there really to meet you guys face to face, shake some hands, talk about where we're going with our analysis and with this whole program. I believe we're missing an address here. I remember every night I give more than just my website. Oh, it's YouTube. When you're at YouTube, don't forget www.youtube.com/futuresanalysts. When you're there, hit the subscribe button. That'll enable you to get my videos the moment we post them. And last but not least, if you'd like to call me, please do. 718-351-2266. Don't forget, stops are your best friends. Place them first. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Good luck, traders. Have a great, safe trading day. I'll be in touch with you through the emails.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.